This is the freight elevator at U-Haul. This is an old Marshall elevator from maybe the 50s, we're not sure. It was modernized by Marshall with GAL in the 80s. It still has a manual wood gate and security doors.
Like that white.
Yep, Marshall elevator right there. Yeah, this does require the U-Haul authentication down in the basement. But it's not like restricted to a floor or anything because it's older. Pretty nice dry-powered motor. Actually, Peter, do you want to send it down?
You want to take it to one?
Do I just?
Yeah,
must
you don't need the card for one. It's a basic U-Haul freight elevator with U-Haul signage in pink colors. Back on one.
Want me to get it?
Oh, jeez. It's definitely lighter. And I guess we found it open, even though it says there to close it, so that's it.